The Rubik's Cube is one of the most intriguing puzzles known to mankind. Even the cleverest of puzzle solvers have been stumped by this marvelous puzzle since 1980. Now my question is, how can we solve it? I bought bacon! That's freaking genius!
How to solve your Rubik's Cube with bacon. You will need bacon, a Rubik's Cube, and a microwave. Step 1. Take out the bacon out of the container and place it on a big plate. You're going to want to fold it in half and then cut that into fourths. Then you want to gently lather the bacon over the Rubik's Cube, making sure not to diminish any of the stickers. We have an advantage because our stickers are made of plastic. Now set your microwave on high and place on microwave for about 6 minutes. And now when it's done, carefully take it out, making sure the bacon does not fall off. As you can see, surprisingly, the bacon is cooked and the Rubik's Cube is solved. Mission accomplished. Now you've been good. Reward yourself.
You can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind because if they don't dance, because they don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they ain't no friends of mine.
Freaking bacon grease. At least my cube's solved. What? What? No! That's freaking genius! Yes! Yes!